Hi everybody, how are you all doing? I hope all is well. I am here in the Windy Hill section of North Myrtle Beach. I'm at Windy Village. This is a low-rise condominium complex, and I just went ahead and showed my client and his friend a great 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit. It's unit C2 and it's 900 heated square feet. And it comes fully furnished. And let's go ahead and take a look at this. All right. Okay, so we're on the 3rd floor here, where you got the palmetto trees right there. Unit C2. And actually what's kind of funny is my client that I just showed it to, his favorite color is blue, so this was fitting for him to see when he walked in. And I think his favorite thing to snack on is cheese balls too. Just kidding, I'm being cheesy. So you walk into the kitchen. I'm just gonna close the door so we don't have to listen to. Even in the hallway, there is right here, as you walk in, you have your stackable washer and dryer and some storage space there. Alrighty, so coming right into the kitchen. It's a good sized kitchen. White appliances. And table here to go ahead and enjoy some nice healthy food. And then here is the living area. So this does have new luxury vinyl plank right here. The kitchen is tiled. Asking price on this is $274,000. So we'll get to the view after we tour this whole condo. All right. So coming in here, it's nice that it's separated. We have a hallway coming down to the master bedroom. So a good size here and really nice choice of the color on the walls here. So beachy, of course. And a great size. This is a king size bed. Okay, so here is the bathroom and some Shelly wallpaper here. This is just a shower. All right. Okay, making our way down here. So you have a full bath here with a shower tub combo. All right, and our second bedroom here. So the HOA on this one is $490. It comes with water, trash pickup, pool, insurance, cable, pest control, maintenance, the insurance, not only the building insurance, but it comes with your HO6 insurance too. So that's pretty rare that you see that included in the HOA. So that's something nice to note. And the other thing that is nice to note is it has ocean views. So There it is. So there are your ocean views here. It has a beautiful pool down there. This is a newer complex as well. So better upkeep on all the maintenance. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me here on this Tower Tour. Happy to show this to you all after sharing it with my client. And if you're interested in this property or any other properties, I'd love to hear from you. As you know, contact information is down below if you've watched my videos before, and you can reach me at 843-877-5839. Call, text me. I appreciate those that have and that I've been able to help out in their search for a property here at the beach. Take care. Till next time.